welcome back to the channel. Winter is here in Colorado, and as you can see, Jeep is getting a bit dirty. We've been getting some snow, some mud in the trails lately, and I wanted just to share with you an easy mod. If like me, you have opted for the all-weather mats. So what I did is just, replaced my normal regular mats on the Rubicon with the all-weather mats from Mopar, and they are good actually, but you can't just lay them down there like the normal mats. So there is a trick. Let me show you. So as you can see, Jeep is a bit dirty. Try to clean the map a little bit for the video, but these mats, they come from a Mopar, and they have two fixtures here. So you have to align the holes with the small fixing points, and you press on them to get them fixed so they don't move actually when you're driving. But as you can see here, there's a small budge, so see, so it's just doesn't fit flat on the floor, and there is a reason for that. So these mats, they're not supposed just to be laid down, they're supposed to be installed, and how you do that is what I'm going to show you right now. This is your all-weather mat from Mopar. It got an edge. It's quite sturdy, made of durable rubber. This edge will allows you basically to keep all the mud and the dirt, even water, inside the mat, and don't stain your brand new carpet. And got two fixture points, your Jeep logo, and this very nice, kind of let's say 3D map. And then you have this drain plug. So basically this one is open, as you can see, but then when you put the mat flat on the floor, there is no way to push that there so it can sit flat. So what you should do, you should get a tool like this, and you should just spray on the side here. So let me try to show you. So once you do that, you can see that this part of the mat is pre-cut basically to reveal the real drain plug on the Jeep floor. So what we're gonna do basically is cut this part, completely cut it and take it off, and then get the drain plug and have the mat installed. So stay with me. So for this, what you would need a good blade, and then on these sides you just have to cut slowly. Try not to damage your carpet, neither cut your fingers, and this will come out. Then we do the same on the other side, and it's better to work with a very, very sharp blade. This is like it, and this is it. You see, you can take this part of the floor mat, and then this would reveal basically the drain plug. So if you take your tool and you pray it, that's come out, and then you will get the opening for the real drain. So what we do, just take this out, and then I'll take my all-weather mat, have it back here, and then once I will push on the fixing points, I got it fixed properly, and then I will have just this sitting in the drain, and then you get your original drain plug, and this is what you get on your mat. So this is how it should be installed. Once you get some dirt, anything in the or water or snow melting in your carpet, you can simply just take the drain, and then everything will drain down to the floor of the Jeep and go on the ground. So this is it, guys. I hope this tip was useful. You can do the same for the passenger side. Unfortunately, you don't have it on the rear seats. So small little yellow Jeep here, so you don't have it on the rear seats, and then if you have any dirt in here, you need to take these and just basically clean them, and I think they are due for a cleaning probably. Okay, that was a quick one, and I hope a very useful one. If you like, please subscribe, and like the video. And if you have any additional information you would like to add, welcome to put it down in the comments. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Cheers.